Let's take a look at question number 30. Here's our picture, and we know that the perimeter of this one, they tell us, is 75. So our equation is going to be 2x plus 3.5x plus 3x plus 7 equals 75. If I add my x terms together, I get 8.5x plus 7 equals 75. Minus 7, minus 7. I get 8.5x equals 68. Divide by 8.5, divide by 8.5. I get x is equal to 8. I am recording. So if x is equal to 8, we know that this side length here will be 16. This side length here will be 28. Oops, 28. And this side length will be 31. Those are the side lengths that we are looking for. Let's take a look at question 32. In question 32, we have the side lengths of a parallelogram, and we have the perimeter. The side lengths of the parallelogram are 9.2x minus 3 plus 7.3x plus 9.2x minus 3 plus 7.3x equals, the perimeter they give us is 324. Let's simplify things. We have 33x minus 6 equals 324. 33x equals 330. X equals 10. If x equals 10, we can plug in for the side lengths. This one would be 73, and this one would be 89. This one would be 89. This one would be 73. The next one we're going to look at is question 34. In question 34, it says the sum of three consecutive odd integers is 327. Find the integers. Well, if the first odd integer is x, 2 bigger than this odd integer would be the next odd integer, and the next odd integer larger than that is x plus 4. That would be equal to 327. Simplifying, I get 3x plus 6 equals 327. Subtract 6 from both sides. I get 3x equals 321. X must be 107. 2 larger than that would be the 109. 2 larger than that would be the 111. Let's move to question 51. Question 51 says 2 frames are needed with the same perimeter. One frame is the shape of a square. The other one is the shape of a triangle. So here's our 2 frames, and we need them to have the same perimeter. They tell us that the side length of the square is x, so all of those are going to be the same. And they tell us that the side length of the triangle is 6 larger than the square. So that one would be x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6. So the perimeter of this one is 4x, which is equal to the perimeter of this one, which is 3x plus 18. Simplifying, I get x is equal to 18. So we know that this would be the side length of 18 centimeters on the square. The triangle, 18 plus 6, gives me 24 centimeters for each side of that one. The last one we're going to look at is question 54. Question 54 says the sum of the second and fourth of 4 consecutive integers is 110. Find the 4 integers. So we have 4 consecutive integers. If my first consecutive integer would be x, consecutive integer, the second one would be x plus 1, third x plus 2, fourth is x plus 3. It doesn't say the sum of all of them, it says the sum of the second and fourth. So this one's the second. This one's the fourth. If I add them together, their sum is 110. So I get 2x plus 4 equals 110, minus 4 minus 4. I get 2x equals 106, so x must be 53. Now, is the second number 53, or is it this first number that's 53? Well, because it's x equals, we would say this one's 53, this one's 54, this one's 55, and this one is 56.